We'll show you a friction fire. It's called a bow and the drill. My components that I've got here is my, my hearth board, okay? And then I've got my spindle, which goes like that. And then I've got, of course, the bowstring would go around here. And then I've got a bearing block. This is just a stone that I've kind of wallowed a little depression in there. I've used it for decades now. And that just kind of goes on top right there so that when that spindle is spinning back and forth, it's not going to burn a hole in your hand or make your hand hot. You can see how there's, how there's very little friction up there. You concentrate all your friction down here on your fireboard and your spindle. Dust can collect in there, and it's going to get hotter and hotter and hotter until it gets so hot that it makes a coal, just like a cherry on the end of a cigarette or a cigar or something like that. That's what you're going to go ahead and put into your tinder bundle and blow into a bigger and bigger and bigger coal until eventually it catches on fire. Now, we need to make a tinder bundle. So what I've got here is just things from right around us here. This is some dead Spanish moss. It's obviously green when it's alive. When it dies, it has this real fine kind of little core inside of it. And that's really, really nice and flammable. I'll fuzz that up. And then I've got some cedar bark. Use a little bit of this because it just gets a little finer texture than the Spanish moss does. All right, so there's our tinder bundle all prepared right there for our coal. I'm going to set that somewhere where it's not going to get bumped or knocked out of the way. So there's our spindle. It goes around the bow cord. I got a little leaf right here to basically act as an ember plate is what we're going to call it. That'll catch and hold my coal for me. And I'm going to step on that. You want to hold it real secure. If this wiggles around a little bit, it'll distribute your dust as you make it, and you won't make a fire near as fast. All right. So, you see how that's still smoking? That lets us know that we've got a coal going there. That's it. And that little coal will get dumped into my tinder bundle, and then this will get blown into a flame. And there's your fire. That's what you would put into your bigger sticks and campfire wood and everything there like that then. And that's a bow and drill friction fire.